In this tutorial, we are going to start fun part of making website. We are going to hop over our news. We are going to change their colors, their font size, font families, etc, etc. Let's go to our editor and start styling them. It's gonna be fun. Alright, let's giving some style to our picture first. It's gonna be easier. Alright, so I will need some spaces here. Alright, I'm going to copy this image from here and the same one here to see difference before and after. So traditionally we are given with attribute like this into opening tag, but now I'm going to change this. So I will delete this and I'm going to open a style attribute here. In between those quotes, I'm going to write my attribute name first. Attribute name is width and a colon. And after that, I'm going to give a value to this attribute, which is going to be 450 pixels and semicolon. The attribute name, colon, attribute value, and semicolon. All right, let's save it and see in the browser right now. And let's refresh it. And now I have another picture here, which is 450 pixels. So I don't need this picture anymore. So I will go ahead and delete this picture, okay? So, all right, so let's delete this from here. Okay, this style attribute is going to contain all our attributes about the style inside. In between those codes, we will write our styling attributes just like color, font size, font family, width, height, etc, etc. We are going to write all of them in between those codes here. Codes. Alright, and I can give even an height like this, and it will be 300 pixels and semicolon. Alright, let's save it and see in the browser again. Okay, it has fitted perfectly, right? So let's go back to our editor and keep giving some style to other elements as well, like this H2 element, for example. Here it was supposed to be here like this, but I'll get this to the next line and I'll get my text to the next line as well. So I will come over here in opening tag. I will open this a little bit and I will add some styling tags here. I'm just copying it from here. Okay, so let's copy that and paste it here. Some space between H2 and the style attribute. Alright, I don't need height attribute for my header. Let's delete it. I have just width attribute of H2 element. Okay, let's put them in an order. Okay, let's save it and see in the browser now. Let's refresh it. Now our header is not larger than the content itself. So we can do the same for paragraph text as well. This is our paragraph here. So I will come over here, opening tag, and open this a little bit more and type it style as attribute here. And in between quotes, I'm going to write my styling attributes. So width is 450 pixels and semicolon. The attribute name, colon, its value, and semicolon in between those codes. Okay, let's save it and see in the browser again. Now my contents are a little bit more in the shape. Alright, let's go ahead and give some more attributes to header and the paragraph text. Alright, I am in my H2 elements style attribute inside after this semicolon. Alright, so after this semicolon in between quotes, I will say font family. This is an attribute name. This is going to change font family of my header. I say Helvetica. Alright, semicolon. Let's save it and see in the browser now. Okay, its font family has been changed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change its size, right? So let's go here and I will say font dash size is gonna be 22 pixels and semicolon again. Attribute name, colon, attribute value and semicolon again. Let's save it and see in the browser now. It is smaller. I can make it bigger and I can change its color as well. Let's do it. Okay. I will make it 30 pixels. Okay, and after the semicolon, I will write here color colon is gonna be navy and semicolon. Let's save it and see in the browser now. Now it's bigger and its color has been changed to navy. Right, let's give some style to our paragraph elements as well. Okay, let's go to paragraph tags style attribute. After this semicolon, I come over here and I say font family is Arial, semicolon, color is gray, and semicolon. Let's save it and see in the browser now. Now my paragraphs font family changed and its color changed. You can go ahead and give some other colors in some other font families and you can make your own perfect content. So I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial.